All right, let us get to the bread. We are about the bread now. Yo, my face is so shining. Yo, hi. Let me show you quickly. So I boiled hot water and I poured it into a pot. I'm gonna put the pot underneath in the oven and then we bake our bread. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, there's my water. I take my pot and I put it right there. Right there. That's my pot with boiling water. Then I'm going to take my bread and put it over there. That's what I was talking about. I forgot to do with this bread. So now we let the bread bake. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm taking the water out now. Oh, don't drop. Now we let the bread do its thing. Right. Let's take out the bread before it burns. The pan was burning. Shit. I burnt my fingers.
It's blurry. The video's blurry.
Autofocus, baby. Autofocus. Let me take this off the stove. And close. And we switch off here. Here's the bread, guys.